Can I use neem oil on my newly planted squash plants? And this is Cheryl. So what do you think about that one?
I say, why not? Yeah, I don't think it's a problem.
Yeah, if you want to do that, but I would scout your squash plants because they probably going to have squash bugs. At some point, flip the leaves over, you'll see those eggs. When those eggs hatch, you have those little nymphs. Neem oil will do an excellent job controlling those nymphs. But you got to scout. Got to flip the leaves over. Okay.
You got to get good coverage.
Got to get good coverage.
You just put it on top and they're on the bottom.
They're on the bottom. That's right. But yeah, if you just want to use it, read and follow the label on that, of course.
Use it right. But she's asking as if we're afraid the oil will hurt the plant, and it's not going to. The neem oil is not going to hurt the plant.
You want to be fine as long as you don't spray above 85 degrees.
Yeah.
You might get phytotoxicity at that point, but that'll be on the label. Just read and follow the label.
Follow the label.
Yeah. But outside of that, should be fine.
Yeah.
But I will say scout for those squash bugs because I'm sure they'll be there at some point.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.